What's up, guys? Hope you guys are enjoying your winter break. Today we're going to be learning War Machine by Kiss. The song is in E-flat tuning, but we're going to learn in standard to just make sure you're in your regular tuning, E, A, D, G, B, E, and we're good to go. So let's get right into it. First part, the main riff. All of basically the whole song is going to be all on your big E string, okay? Really simple. We're going to be doing open 7, okay, on our big E. Then we're gonna do O5, right? That's open and then 5. So O7, O5. And then we're gonna go back and do O7 again. Okay, so. And then you're gonna do O7, O. Okay, so far we have. And then finally to wrap up this first part, we're gonna do 3, 5. And don't forget, you can always rewind the video in case you missed it, okay? So O7, O5, O7, O7, O, 3, 5. So far we have. Okay, a little slower. Right? All one finger, by the way. So the second part of this is where it gets a little confusing because it's almost the exact same thing except for some little parts that kind of switch. Same thing, we're going to start O7, but then we're going to go O3, and then O5, and then O5, O, 3, 5. So instead of the 5 and 7s, we did 3 and 5. So that sounds like this. Okay, that's the second half. Together, part 1 and 2 sound like this. That's it. In the beginning, we're going to play it twice. Once by ourselves, and I mean both parts, part A and part B, one time by ourselves. Then you're going to hear the drums kick in a little bit. They're going to do the little snare hits in between. We're going to do another round. Third round, we're going to only do half of it, okay? So it's going to sound like this. Drum comes in. Last one. This is where it switches up on us. So here's the only instance that we get with the A string. So it's exactly like part A, like the first part that we do, right? O7, O5, O7, O7, 3, 5. But instead of the 5 on the A, we're gonna go down. Sorry, on the E, we're gonna go down on the A string. So instead of, we're gonna go. So 5th fret of the A string, okay? So that's the only change, and you'll hear it goes down, down, right in the track. Also, make sure you're listening to the track so you know how it goes in case you've never heard the song before. And then from there, we go into the verse. All right, so verse. So right after you do that 3rd fret E to the 5th fret A, you're gonna play the big E. Let it ring out for 6 beats. If you watch the note values video, this will help you out a little bit. 6 beats, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, followed by the open E again, and then the 3rd fret E. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then you play the O3. Then you get this riff that goes like this. And that's really simple. All it is 5, 5, 3, 5. 5, 5, 3. So 5, 5, 3, 5, 5, 5, 3. Okay, one more time. And then you're gonna do kind of the same thing but different notes. We're gonna go O, O, 3, O. Okay, O, O, 3, O, 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 3. And I'm going to have tabs for all of this anyway, so you guys can follow along with that as well. That's going to lead you back to the 5-3 riff that we just played. And then you're going to play this new one that's kind of similar to the 5, but you're doing 7 and 5. So now you're going. That's all you're doing. 7, 7, 5, 5, 7, 5, 7. Okay, and then you restart and do the whole thing all over again. So what it should sound like together: 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the only difference is on the second time around, instead of doing, all you're gonna do is walk down the scale. So instead of doing 7, 7, 5, 7, 5, 5, 7, you're gonna go 7, 5, 3, 2. Just like that. And that's gonna bring you back to the main riff. And you're gonna do it all over again, and that's basically the whole song.